Hi there folks. This video is a little tutorial for some of you non-speech therapists out there. One of the most common things that I work on all day long is called velar fronting. So when a kid says "ta" for "ka" or "ga" or "da" for "ga," you speech therapists out there might be hearing something familiar. So I'm going to show you something how I utilize Speech Tutor Pro to help improve this. This is specifically for velar fronting, but any of the minimal pairs you can do the same thing. So here, using minimal pairs, we like to highlight the difference between what the kid is saying and what they should be saying. So when a kid goes to say code and they're velar fronting, they will be saying toad. So you can touch them.
Code, toad.
And play those back for kids so that they can hear the difference. And then you can also use this button right here to record it and play it back. That way they're hearing that they're saying the same thing. So here's the ka and
Bug, bud.
And so here's one for with the sound in the final position, bug and bud. So not only can you play it side by side for them and record them, play it back so they hear that it's different, but you'll also sometimes want to just turn it around and say, raise your hand when you hear bug.
Bug.
And bud. This way they're having to listen a lot closer and they can raise their hand when they hear the right one. With speech errors like these, it's not so much a production error, it is a listening discrimination issue. So you really want to highlight listening closer to those things. One other thing you can do with this is you can touch that this white button right here, and you can do select K and T, and then you can play these back. Okay, so it shows what they should be doing with what they what they should be doing with what they are probably doing. Anyway, there's just a couple hints. You can do this with any of the minimal pair decks. These are very, very handy when trying to help a child who has some speech errors.